Acer Iconia iM11 22M5G. First look and initial review. Is this Android tablet revolutionary or hype? The Acer Iconia iM11 22M5G is an interesting Android tablet that combines a large 2.2K display, 5G connectivity, stylus support, and a productivity-focused design. But is it really revolutionary or just another mid-range tablet with good specs? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The iM11 comes with an 11.45-inch IPS display featuring a 2200 by 1440 resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 450 nits of brightness. That makes it well suited for browsing, streaming, studying, and everyday productivity. Performance comes from MediaTek's 8791T processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. You can also expand storage with a micro SD card, which is useful if you keep lots of videos, documents, or apps. One of its biggest advantages is connectivity. This version supports 5G, so you can stay connected without relying entirely on Wi-Fi. It also runs Android 15 and supports an active stylus with 4096 pressure levels, making it more useful for handwritten notes and creative work. The tablet also has a 7400 mAh battery, a slim metal body, and 4 speakers. However, charging is limited to 18 watts, so it isn't particularly fast. And while the IPS display looks sharp, it won't deliver the deep blacks and contrast of an OLED panel. The cameras are also more about convenience than serious photography, with a 16-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. Overall, the Acer Iconia iM11 22M5G isn't revolutionary, but it is a versatile tablet for students, professionals, and everyday users who want a large screen, 5G, stylus support, and expandable storage. If you want a premium OLED display or high-end gaming performance, you may want to consider other options. But for everyday productivity and entertainment, the iM11 is worth considering. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the Acer Iconia iM11 22M5G.